In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record and add voiceovers in Canva. This process is quick and simple, allowing you to enhance your designs with personalized audio touches. Whether you're creating a presentation, a video, or an online post, having a voiceover can make all the difference. So let's dive in and see how you can do this effortlessly. First, you'll want to start by opening up Canva and navigating to your project. On the left hand side of your screen, you'll find several options in the toolbar. From these, go ahead and click on Uploads. This is where you manage all your files, including images, videos, and audio. Ensure you have access to this section, as it will be pivotal in managing your voice recordings. Once you are in the Uploads section, you will see an option to record yourself. Click on this option. This feature is particularly useful as it allows you to directly create voiceovers within Canva without needing any external software. It's a great tool for on-the-spot creativity and quick adjustments. After selecting Record Yourself, a new screen will appear, prompting you to click Record. This is where the actual recording happens. Make sure you have your microphone set up correctly. Also, it's a good idea to be in a quiet environment to ensure the best audio quality. You wouldn't want background noises creeping into your recording. Once you're set, go ahead and click Record to begin capturing your voiceover. Now, after you've made your recording, you'll want to incorporate it into your design. Navigate back to the project you're working on. On your screen, you should see a panel with various icons. You'll find an icon labeled Audio. Click on this icon to access audio options. This is where all your uploaded audio files, including the one you just recorded, will be housed. Finally, locate the audio file you've just recorded. It should be visible within the audio panel. Simply click the audio file to select it. Once clicked, it will automatically embed into your design. You'll notice that the audio's waveform appears on your project timeline, allowing you to adjust and manage the position and timing within your design as needed. And there you go. It's as simple as that to record and add voiceovers to your Canva projects. With these steps, you'll be able to integrate personalized audio into your presentations and videos without any hassle. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different recordings to find what works best for your project. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in enhancing your creations with engaging voiceovers.